There is one technical question from the audience. I think this is basically a sort of awareness or question, which is what is predictive maintenance?
Know that when I talk about predictive maintenance, then it will take the many operational data, and accordingly, it may be able to see that okay at different you can say load conditions and others, then what kind of uh, precautions we should take to replace the equipment or go for some overhauling activities, or you can take some precautionary measures to avoid failure, which is very costly for such a, say for example, the airlines operation, Rahul. I have seen the hazard when the belt is not in operations, correct? And then if you ask people to rush to another belt, then you have seen that what is things are happening. So here predictive maintenance is very, very important because this gives you an idea that in advance, if you knowing the past history, you can easily know that okay, this is the thing, and accordingly you can build a maintenance schedule also. Okay, these are the critical things that we need to set it in proper place before every time that any failure may take place.